ChainGPT stands out as one of the most remarkable projects born from the fusion of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Unlike traditional crypto ventures, it doesn't simply offer a token or an investment vehicle. Instead, it builds a broad AI-powered ecosystem designed to make the Web3 world more accessible, secure, and efficient. At the heart of this ecosystem lies the AIVM, which automates complex tasks such as smart contract creation and auditing, NFT generation, and market analysis. This makes it possible for even users without deep technical expertise to operate effectively on the blockchain. One of the platform's key tools is its crypto-focused chatbot, which simplifies access to information by providing straightforward answers to complex questions. The AI Trade Assistant complements this by offering AI-driven market trend detection and technical analysis, enabling investors to make more informed decisions. On top of that, the ability to generate NFTs through text prompts positions ChainGPT as a strong bridge between creativity and technology. At the center of this ecosystem is the CGPT token. Beyond being a payment instrument, it plays a critical role in the project's sustainability. It grants access to premium tools, enables staking and farming, and allows holders to participate in governance through DAO voting. Its burn mechanism gradually reduces supply, aiming to preserve long-term value. What further differentiates ChainGPT is its focus on security. In the Web3 space, where scams and vulnerabilities are a major concern, the CryptoGuard browser extension leverages AI to protect users, allowing them to interact more safely. Behind all these innovations is the vision of the project's founder and CEO, Ilhan Rakhmanov. By integrating AI with blockchain, Rakhmanov has managed to create not just a technical solution, but also an infrastructure that improves user experience. Today, ChainGPT empowers developers with API and SDK support, offers white-label solutions for businesses to deploy custom AI tools under their own brand, and incubates AI-powered startups through ChainGPT Labs, fueling innovation across the sector. In short, ChainGPT is not just another crypto project, but a platform that integrates AI across every layer of the blockchain world. It provides practical solutions for developers and investors alike, acting as a bridge that simplifies the complexity of the industry and builds trust for users to operate with confidence in Web3.